Oh wow. Yeah, you get pretty wet going through that thing. Obviously it's not for me. We have some neighbor kids around here that I'm gonna let play in this thing. I just want to make a quick video about it and see how well it works. But you got the stream out front, and you got this stream going around here. And the best part is, this isn't one of those things that has to stay in your yard all the time. Whenever you're done with it, it comes apart really easily. Pop all this off. Literally just comes right apart just like that. Put it in the garage. Put it in the shed. Whatever. For next time you want to play. Super simple to put up and take out whenever your kids want to play in some water. Just like that.